In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the Assets panel in your design software. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, managing assets effectively can make your workflow significantly smoother and more efficient. Let's dive in and explore how to make full use of the Assets panel. First, let's talk about accessing the Assets panel. If you're on Windows, you'll want to press Ctrl, Shift, and Y all together. For those of you using a Mac, the keys are slightly different. You'll press CMD, Shift, and Y instead. If keyboard shortcuts aren't your style, no worries. You can also access the Assets panel through the toolbar. Simply navigate to the View menu, click on Assets, or find the Assets icon right there in your interface. Once open, this panel becomes a crucial hub for organizing various design elements, which we'll get into now. Inside the Assets panel, you'll notice several sections designed to store different types of assets. Let's start with colors. This section is for solid fills and gradients that you might use across multiple designs. Next, we have character styles, which help you maintain consistency in text formatting. This includes aspects like font choice, size, weight, and even line spacing. Further down, you'll see the Components section. This area is for your reusable UI elements, created using the Make Component function. By storing components here, you ensure your designs remain consistent and you save time when iterating on projects. If you're part of a team or using shared libraries, you might also notice linked assets from other documents. These are handy if you're working within a design system or collaborating across multiple documents. Now that you have a good understanding of what the panel contains, let's explore how to add your elements. Let's start with adding a color. Suppose you have an object, or even a group of objects, on your canvas, and you want to add its fill or stroke as an asset. Simply select that object or group, then go to the Colors section in your Assets panel. You'll spot a plus icon right next to Colors. Click that, and just like that, your selected color or gradient is added to your asset library. It's particularly useful for maintaining brand consistency across different projects. Once your color is in the panel, you can rename it for easier reference. Naming conventions like primary blue or brand accent keep your assets organized and help you identify them quickly. By leveraging these features in your Assets panel, you'll not only streamline your workflow, but also ensure that your designs remain consistent and professional looking. Thanks for joining today, and happy designing!